There is a specific, satisfying click that only comes from a physical CD tray sliding into place. It is a sound that digital files just cannot replicate. We have spent years moving everything to the cloud, but something about holding an album in your hands feels more permanent, more real. This Philips stereo system bridges that gap between our nostalgic past and our wireless present. It is not trying to be some massive, room shaking concert stack. Instead, it aims for that sweet spot where compact design meets genuine audio quality. You get this sleek, robust unit that fits perfectly on a bookshelf or a desk without taking over the entire room. The design is clean and intentional. It feels solid when you touch it. Those tactile buttons offer a physical response that a touchscreen never will. It is refreshing to see a front-loading tray again. It reminds me of why I started collecting music in the first place. But Philips did not just stop at the nostalgia factor. They packed in Bluetooth connectivity so you can pivot from your vintage discs to a modern playlist in seconds. The pairing process is incredibly smooth. You just hit the button, find it on your phone, and you are ready to stream. They even included a USB port for those who have curated libraries of digital files on a thumb drive. It handles variety with ease. The actual air moving through the room tells an even better story. For a system of this size, the soundstage is remarkably full. The bass has a punchy depth that fills a medium-sized bedroom or a home office without getting muddy. You can hear the crispness in the high notes. Vocals stay clear and front-facing. It does not rattle or buzz when you crank it up for a small gathering. That is a huge win for a compact setup. It is not going to replace a multi-thousand-dollar audiophile rig, but that is not the point. This is about making your daily listening experience better. It is about having the flexibility to catch the morning news on the FM radio or dive into a hidden track on a CD from 10 years ago. The remote control makes it easy to manage from across the room. You can skip tracks or toggle through inputs without getting up from your chair. If you have been letting your old disc collection gather dust, this might be the reason to bring them back out. It offers a balanced approach to modern living. It respects the past while embracing the convenience of today. You get the best of both worlds in a package that looks as good as it sounds. It is simple. It is functional. It makes music feel like an event again, rather than just background noise on a tiny smartphone speaker. There is real value in having a dedicated space for your audio. This unit proves that physical media still has a seat at the table. It reminds us that listening to music should be an experience, not just a task. It stands as a testament to the idea that some technologies don't really go out of style, they just evolve. You can feel the quality in the weight of the speakers. You can see it in a bright, clear display that tells you exactly what track is playing from across the hall. It is about reliability. It is about the joy of simplicity in a busy world. This setup gives you everything you need and nothing you don't. It is the perfect companion for a quiet afternoon or a lively dinner with friends. Music is meant to be shared and enjoyed. Having a reliable system like this makes that easier than ever. It is a solid investment for anyone who values their collection and wants a piece of gear that just works. Every time you pop a disc in, you are reminded that good sound is timeless.